In this video, we're going to be downloading the course material and placing it in our home directory so you can easily access it during the course. So for any of the YouTube videos in the playlist, if you look at the description, there'll be a link to a Google Drive folder containing all of my material. You can download all of them if you wish, but we're going to be downloading Master the Fundamentals of Python over here. So go ahead and click on this and download it. I've already done so and placed it on my desktop. Go ahead and click on it and unzip it. Now there's just one more step, and that's to move it into your home directory. Now whether you're on a Mac or on a Windows machine, the instructions are the exact same. You need to figure out where your home directory is. I'm on a Mac, and for me it's quite easy. There's a little home icon. I can just click on it and that gets me to my home directory. Now once in here, I am going to create a new folder called Dunder Data Courses so we can keep all of my material for all of the courses. Once you've done that, then simply just move the material, that folder, into the Dunder Data Courses directory. So this one's called Master the Fundamentals of Python, and it's inside the Dunder Data Courses folder in the home directory. So you don't know where your home directory is, just do a quick internet search and you'll be able to figure out how to navigate to your home directory, and then just move that unzipped folder, Master the Fundamentals of Python, into the Dunder Data Courses folder. And then you can look at all the contents of the course right here.